Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. This is a quick video to just answer a few comments that we got for short straddle video. So I have just already commented in like I have answered all the comments, but still wanted to make a video so that it's clear and it will reach more people who didn't notice those comments. So let me go from bottom to top. So the first comment is where is code? Like as I mentioned, I have done through Algo. This guy is asking for the code, so I just mentioned my Telegram ID to contact, but he didn't contacted me. The reason why I didn't post the code URL here is uh, I just wanted to share with the people who are really interested to do that. So that's the reason I'm not going to charge anything. If you ping me into this Telegram ID, I will just give you the URL. You can just make use of the Talgo. Next comment is kindly make more backtesting video. Yes, I will be making more backtesting video, but if I am not going to take trade, I will not going to do those backtesting. I will not share that because the reason is if I am going to do, I will be sharing with you people, or else I will not do that. And next thing is it is weekly or monthly option should be used. So we are using only weekly expiry options for this short straddle. We are not using monthly options expiry options. And okay, next is Jiva. He mentioned like if we do without SL, then how could the result would be? So if we don't have SL, then it's going to be a big problem. It is really a very very huge risk you are taking. So by the end of the day, it will end up in the end of the month or end of the year. If you see, the overall profit will be very less. So I would not recommend you to do any strategy. This is not only for short straddle. If you take any strategy, you should not do without stop loss. And if you are doing without stop loss, you should be knowing the adjustments concept. That cannot be done by the retailers because it requires more money to adjust. It is not an easy thing to do. Next is he mentioned like we have only 25 percentage of stop loss. Is that based on capital? So the 25 percentage of stop loss is based on the entry what you are taking it. For example, today I have taken entry. If you see, this is on Fires platform and I have already taken an entry at 9:21. If you see 34,700 P and CE. Okay, one has already hit the stop loss, and the second like CE leg I have just moved to the cost price. The stop loss is moved to cost price. So if you see the entry price, let me show is today. So entry price is for C is 253. So for this 253, 25 percentage is 316. Similarly for PE 171 is the entry price. So for this 171 into 25 percentage, that need to be added. For example, 171, if you see the formula here, 171 plus and 25 percentage of 171, that gives you the stop loss. Similarly, if you are going to have a target, you need to calculate correspondingly. So this is how the stop loss is. And next comment is can we trust stock market backtesting data? It is, yeah, you can trust the stock market backtesting data, but I cannot assure that it will be same results what you are getting when you take trade, because it's completely depend on the movement, and we are placing a market order, how it going to execute, it depends on broker. Because even if you have two friends and both you are executing at the same time, but still the difference of prices will be there. So you can just take the stock market results to get some confidence on the strategy, but you cannot expect the same thing to be happened. But it will be moreover nearer what you have back tested. That is for sure. It is not going to contradict what you have back tested. That's for sure. Okay. And next question he posted is why big players are struggling to earn 50%. So yeah, big players we say like they are struggling, but see when you take for one lot, the 3,000 loss would be minimal. See, think of the players who are doing trading with the crores and crores. So for them, one lot 3,000 into the multiple number of lots they are taking, so they will end up with the huge losses. Psychologically it will be affecting them. So anyhow, if they are going to follow that same strategy for entire year, they will end up in profit. But Usually the people who have a huge amount of as capital, they will do adjustments and they will make the end with less losses by making that adjustment. So that's the reason they are doing a firefighting and all those things. And next question is the 25% of stop loss of each leg and its stop loss. So he mentioned the Prabha has mentioned like it is very volatile, so there are chances to hit the 25%. Yes, of course that will be, but we need to cut down the losses as soon as possible and we need to exit with a good profit. But that even though you see today even and if you see the time, let me go to the orders. I'm not sure. Okay, see 922 I have taken entry and the P stop loss hit at 933, but still I'm holding that's a part of game. Even yesterday one side stop loss hit and another side it gave me a profit, but today what I'm not sure how it's going to be. So yes, that is there, like it is volatile, that will hit stop loss. But what happen if you increase the stop loss? It's up to you. You can just back test and try it out whether by the end of year you are in the good profit compared with the 25% stop loss. So that is what you need to be noticed. You should not think like okay, it is volatile, it will hit. You see, thinking something and if you don't have any proof in front of you, it doesn't going to help anywhere. If you think something you can improve the strategy, definitely you can sign up to the stock market and you can test it over there. So we have a lot of options there to test and you can just improve this short straddle whatever I do. And even if you are able to improve, just you can comment the strategy like what is the changes you done, and I will just try it out, and if that is improving really the profit what I have shown here, I will share in the same YouTube channel so that people could have benefit that. And Kalpesh as mentioned like I have shared 2018, 19 and 20, but I didn't share 2021 back test. So I will do that. I have planned that to show you the back test results along with July month profit, that is this month, end of this month. I will show I have already posted June month profit and loss which I have taken, but July month I will also do that. As of now, see, this is the third journal I am maintaining. So till now if you see, the first column is without brokerage 18,000 and this is with two lots, and 15,786 is still yesterday with brokerage after detecting all the brokerage, and this is the final last column is stock market results. Okay, so I will do that by end of this month. I will show you complete Jan to July backtest results of the same strategy which I have posted. Next question is can we give me example move to cost on stop loss hit on one other leg. So he asked like how we need to move to cost log. For example, see the today CE entry is 253 and stop loss is 316, and the PE entry is 171 and stop loss is 214. So 214 stop loss has hit today. So what I done is, instead of putting 316 stop loss, now I just moved the CE leg to 253. My stop loss is at 253. Let me show you that order. So if you see the PE, I placed the stop loss order to 253. Previously when I entered, I will be placing these both stop loss orders 316 and 214. When it hits one leg, I will move the other leg to the cost price. So that is how it goes. So make more video on back testing. Yeah, as I said earlier, so if I'm going to follow, then I will definitely going to show you the results. And from SRK Saji, why are you making this kind of video for new entrants? Bank Nifty slippage is more than 30 points. They won't earn anything else, end up in the losses. So he is not strongly recommending not to follow. So this guy has mentioned the slippage is more, and there will be always 30 point slippage and you will be end up in loss. So this is completely a wrong statement. The reason is, yeah, I agree with the slippage, but it is not 30 point and it is not always. So slippage is there even if you see this. Let me show you the results. See, the last column is stock market results and this gross profit is the one which I have taken the trade. So if you see, still there is a difference. I agree with that, but it is not saying like you will be end up in the loss. See, it is 1858, it is 1782 loss. It is better than what I took live trade. Some days stock mark would have shown more profit and my profit would be less, but you can't see a big difference, right? It is a 200 points of difference. There are some days, see, these days is you are seeing the big difference. The reason is I have made an error on placing the order. So instead of selling CE and PE, what I did is I sold CE and buy PE, so bought BE. So what happened is it has ended up in the I have just exited immediately, but on the particular day, if you see the movement of 921 candle, it is a like huge candle that went up. So what happened, I just got immediately out from the trade, but still I have lost 3500. So still, what the reason what I'm showing is like, yeah, slippage is there. There are some days you can see the slippages, but on the end of the day, definitely you are going to end up with the profit. It doesn't mean that due to the slippage you will be in the loss. So if you still have, like, if you are able to still show the proof, then I will agree. So these are these are all the trade journal. It is a live trade which I took. Okay, this is not something from the stock mark. Everything is from the live trade. The last column, the stock mark which I added for July, is I just wanted to know, I just wanted to compare simultaneously what is the profit I'm getting. So that's the reason I have added here. So that's all about the comment. So if you still follow the strategy, damn sure you will be getting minimum of 5%, 4 to 5% on an average. On Please note that it is on average. It doesn't mean that you will be getting every month 4 to 5%. So this is how it goes. I will share you the end of July month. I will share you the profit and loss. And also one thing is I am going to come up with new strategy, like along with short straddle. I am going to add one more leg for buy. I will just show you how I am going to do that. That is a new strategy that actually improves the result what we have done for short straddle. Along with short straddle, you are going to combine that so that you will be in the better profit by the end of the year. So I will come up with that video. So do subscribe and share with your friends. Let us meet in the next video with that strategy.